This is the key for your turn number 2 in lesson 2.3. Our first expression to simplify is negative 6 times 13 minus 21. So the first step to do is to look at the multiplication. 6 times 13, which is 78, and a negative times a positive is a negative, so negative 78 minus 21 is my simplified expression, and negative 78 minus 21 is negative 99. And I will rewrite that quick. Negative 99. B, negative 39 divided by 3 minus 15. Negative 39 divided by 3 is negative 13. I bring down the minus 15, so my expression is negative 13 minus 15. Negative 28 is my answer. In C, we have negative 13 times 2 plus 35. So negative 13 times 2 is negative 26 plus 35. And negative 26 plus 35, we know that there are far more positives than negatives, so I'm going to subtract. So 35 minus 26 is 9. And the positive number here is greater, the absolute value of this positive is greater than the absolute value of this negative, so therefore my final answer is a positive 9. And lastly, part D, negative 53 plus negative 87 divided by negative 3. So even though going left to right we have addition first, we still need to begin with division. So negative 87 divided by negative 3 is a positive 29. And then negative 53 plus 29, I'm going to subtract and get negative 24.